Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Edge guys, and we're going to show you how to re-gap your spark plugs. Okay, what needs to be the gap on the factory Motorcraft plugs guys. So stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Okay, more than 200 videos will be made on this Ford Edge with the 3.5 engine. This one will cover the first generation from 2007 to 2013. This is the tool that we'll be using. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below, so please feel free to check it out. Now we'll have the video, okay, on our main channel, how to repair guys, how to remove spark plugs, how to get to it, so please check it out. Now this is a spark plug, okay, and according to the manual, what we found, the spark plug gap needs to be set between 0.051 to 0.057 inches. It's recommended to be 0.054, which is equivalent to 1.35 millimeters. So if you go in millimeters, use the metric scale, you need to go between 1.3 and 1.43 millimeters. We have ours set at 1.35, which is equivalent to 0.054 inches. Check it out. This is too much of a gap. Okay, right here. Check how much it's moving. Let me just focus quick. Okay, give me a second. That's a lot of a gap. So we need to resize this thing a little bit. We need to tap on it. Okay. Now stay with us till the end and I'm going to explain what's very important to do. Okay, this right here on the spot barely went in. So that's how it's supposed to be. Now when you resize them, and you have to be extremely careful, okay, not to, okay, let me just focus here quick, yep, perfect, not to damage that, the spark plug piece, and, okay, that diode here, that's the one that creates the spark, so you have to be extremely careful when you do that. So, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment, we'll make a video for your problem. So, thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.